no need to send the no need to transmit any other frame. Okay, so that is what they are trying to say. And if that time, they have mentioned one time, SIFS, okay, plus guard time. Okay, so if this time is not over, until or unless, you should not send any of the IE, any of the frame.
Okay. Next, if you coming to this table here, they mentioned the types of reservations. Okay, so first we're going to see about alien beacon reservation. Okay, so what is that? A device shall announce an alien beacon beacon period reservation to protect alien beacons as described in. So we have discussed this alien beacon, right?
Right.
Okay, so this during that alien beacon, it will announce that what are the slots are allocated for this one, this beacon period, right? So a device shall not transmit frames during an aligned beacon period. The device shall not transmit frames during an aligned beacon period reservation, except possibly to send a beacon in the aligned beacon period.
Right.
Getting this one?
Yeah. So
So this is all about align beacon period reservation.
now
Next.
coming to the hard reservation. So if you see the description, what they are trying to say, hard description is something that provide exclusive access to the medium for the reservation owner and the target. Unused time should be released for the PCA. So they are telling that your device will reserve some time, right? So that it can access the medium on that time. Okay, but if some unused time is there, then during that time we have to give the access to the PCA side. Okay, so that is what they are trying to say. So this is mutually exclusive. At a time, either DRP will happen or PCA will happen. Okay, coming to the third reservation time, that is soft. Okay, so what is that soft? It permits PCA. Okay, so here only PCA access is going on. Okay, but the reservation owner has a preferential access. But if some owner, means who is already reserved the slot, okay, so we can give a preference also to that. Okay, but it permits PCA only here. Coming to the private, what all the things are available in the private? It provide exclusive access to the medium for the reservation owner and the target. It is something matching with the hard, but they are having one extra feature, that is channel access method and frame exchange sequence are out of scope of this specification. Unused time should be released for the PCA. Okay, same, very similar to the hard reservation type. Okay, and at last we are having a PCA reservation type. Okay, so PCA reservation type, what it will do, it will reserve the time for the PCA. Same like
no priority,
right, and no device has a preferential access. Okay, yeah, so we are not giving any preference to any of the devices. So these are all different types of reservations.